He's going to take you off. The thing is, throws him off balance. Got it?
Camden, are you talking to your friends? Are they funny? Oh. Are you sad they're not talking to you? Camden, why are you sad now? Are you mad at... You tell that parrot. You tell that parrot, Camden. I don't know what he said to you, but Mommy doesn't like him either. He's just staring at that parrot. Was it mean to you, buddy? Ooh. I don't know.
Tell him, buddy. Tell that parrot. You should see his feet when he does that.
What are his feet doing?
They like kick out stuff.
Look at those chub. Look at his chubby legs. You love that red one. Is that Toucan Sam? Oh, he found the world over there. You found the world?
Up, Sue.